Warm greetings to everyone. Let us see about business research. I am Dr. L. Meena, Assistant Professor, Department of Management Studies, Fatima College. Let us continue with Unit 5, which is on report writing and presentation. Let us start with knowing about significance of report writing. Research will be incomplete without any report. So report writing is a major task, but it is a very last step of the research. But it is not the independent step, it is an integral part of the research. So any brilliant research work will be of no or little value if it is not communicated to others. Purpose of findings will not be served. Research findings, when it is not communicated to others, it is of no value. So research report has to be prepared and findings has to be communicated to others. Research results must enter general body of knowledge. That is, research findings has to be added to the stock of knowledge. So research report is necessary. Writing research report requires different skills and it requires expert guidance also. What are the steps, different steps in writing report? The first step is logical analysis of the subject matter. That is, we have to develop the research subject. There are two ways to making it in an order. One is in a logical order, another one is chronological order. Logical is nothing but mental connections between two things. That is, it has certain reasons. So based on that reasons, you will order the research report. Chronological order of research report is sequencing it based on time, that is based on the occurrence date. Second step is preparation of the final outline, that is making a framework of the research. It aids to the logical organization of material. So the stepwise material ordering will be done, which will serve as a reminder for the researcher to check whether he has missed something. Third step is preparation of the rough draft. That is, the researcher has to sit and write in black and white about the various findings of the research and all the other materials in that order. Fourth step is rewriting and polishing of the rough draft. So, polishing and rewriting is not a simple task. It is very, very difficult and it is time consuming also. While doing this step, the researcher has to check for weaknesses, cohesion, definite pattern, consistency and mechanics in writing. Fifth and final step is preparation of the final bibliography. This bibliography is an appendix, that is, it is appended to research report, added at the back. All those relevances, that is sources, where are all these research has been found out and the sources which are being used, what are the sources that are consulted, all those will be included in this bibliography. And this bibliography has to be arranged in an alphabetical order. The sixth step is writing the final draft of the research. This final draft has to be in a concise manner and it has to be in the research objectives based, that is objectives type. This final draft should be simple language and it has to avoid abstract terminology and technical jargon. Effectively, it should communicate research findings to others, outsiders. Research report should not be dull, it should be interesting and show originality. And this final draft has to add knowledge both to researcher and also reader. Thank you.